Hi foodies, this is Chef Jack Laudico and it's my advocacy to promote the flavors of Filipino cuisine abroad. So I'm here in Milan making my signature suman panna cotta for 350 packs. So we have trays of steamed glutinous rice and simmered coconut cream with muscovado sugar. It was a big batch, so I blast chilled it and mixed it with the help of
Chef.
flour.
Parusa to. Parusa. Para sa bayan. Laban.
Suman para sa bayan!
Suman para sa bayan. Tino mo na, ano na namin, oh. Baluktot na. From, like,
Zigzag na.
grabe. Nabali dahil sa suman.
Suman lang ang katapat.
Then it's time to add the coconut cream panna cotta. Once it sets, now it's time to portion. I tried doing this in the main kitchen, but it's just so hot that the panna cotta kept melting. I have to work fast because it's 4 degrees C and all I have is this sort of raincoat, trench coat. So I'm cutting the suman panna cotta and rolling it in toasted desiccated coconut.
Ang lamig talaga dito. Yan. Dalawa na lang. 1, 2. 1 at 2. Eto, nagawa na. Nagawa na yung iba. 6 racks tapos 2 more to go. 2 more to go. Okay. I think it's already 3 o'clock. So, kailangan matapos ko na to.
Thank you Milan-based Filipino chefs for the bayanihan.